Get ready to plunge into the realm of Excel excellence, sprinkled with a touch of delight. Welcome to an adventure that promises to not only enhance your efficiency, but also empowers you to dazzle with your spreadsheet finesse. Greetings, fellow spreadsheet explorers. Are you ready to experience the magic of Excel like never before? Today, we are delving into key features that will not only amaze but also streamline your Excel journey. Experience with pure joy of Excel discovery like never before. Get ready for a journey that will fill your spreadsheets with sunshine and unlock the doors to efficiency. Hello, joy seekers. Prepare to be amazed as we venture into the extraordinary domain of key Excel features. The keys we are about to share are the catalyst for unleashing a world of unmatched efficiency and inspiring revelations. Whether you are looking for a lively vibes, playful adventures, or pure joy, we have got the perfect start to an Excel journey that will take your skills to new heights and make your spreadsheets shine. Okay, let's infuse some magic as we explore the key Excel features and to impress and save time. Are you ready to transform your Excel experience and leave a lasting impression? Let's start. For example, you are asked by your boss to create copy of this data. You will select it and copy and paste it. You can create copy of this data, but you can do it from your mouse. Just select your data, press Ctrl. Now you can see a small plus sign above cursor. Simply drag it and place it there. Like copy of your data is created in just single click. You can create a lot of copies like this. Wherever you want to place it, go and place it. For example, I want to create there. So by this you can create a lot of copies in just single click. Okay, moving to second, another amazing trick of Excel. Here is it, Clipboard, where your all copy data store. You can use it in a greater way. Just click a sign there, Clipboard will be open there. You can also move according to your own requirement. For example, I want to place it there. Now every time you copy data, it will store in Clipboard. So now I will tell you how it will be beneficial. For example, I want data of first 6 months for year 2020 and last 6 months for year 2020, and again I want in a single column. I just select data for first 6 year of 2020, copied it, it is stored. Now select last 6. Now go to there, paste all, boom, it will convert it in table and you can combine it by using your Clipboard. You don't have to do it manually step by step. Again, for example, you only want to create a column of January. You want data from January for each year. You just copy, copy, copy. Go to your cell where you want data, paste all. It also have information of like remaining. You can remove it to work it properly. Again, I click paste. Now see, let me show you there, paste all. It's January, stepwise data for each year. You can also calculate, for example, you want March 2020 data, from there you want April 2020 data, from there you have. So just go to your respected cell where you want data, click paste all, like see. You can use Clipboard for various options according to your own requirements and according to your own data set. You can simply paste data by double clicking it, like this, data is pasted. Okay, let's move to another amazing key feature of Excel. for example, here is I have bunch of data and I just want to put for each data same name beneath 2 cells. So to do for each person it takes too much time. So I will do, I just remove it. I select all data by pressing Ctrl A, remove it, Ctrl A. All data is selected, press Ctrl G. Go to menu opens, go to special, select blanks, OK. Now go to formula bar, place formula like which you want to copy it, select that cell. For example, I want to copy John, so I select John. Now press Ctrl plus enter, like boom, your whole data is filled it as you want in just few seconds. Here I have a lot of raw data and I want to submit it in 5 minutes to my boss and I want to format it. So by manually it takes too much time. So I have a trick to do it. Just go to first cell, select insert, go to table, press OK. Now you can choose your formatting color combination which you want. For I want green. Like at the last, you also convert it to ranges. Convert back into ranges. Now you can change its font and also its text size. Like boom, your whole data is formatted in just few seconds. Thank you for joining us on this joyful Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and get ready for more incredible Excel discoveries ahead. Until next time, let's spread the joy of spreadsheets.